Hi dear customer, this is our automatic and semi-automatic auto-lock slider assembly machine. This one is for 5 components, 4-point C-sharp needle. Now let's see the machine working situation. This one is the start button. Okay. Now let's see the machine details. This one is the C-sharp vibrator. Okay. And here is the tap vibrator. The spring is inside the tab already. You see here? Okay. Let's go next, which is the slider body vibrator. Okay. And this one is the puller vibrator. Okay, now let's see the assembly process. The slider components will come out from different channels and it will assemble on the machine plate. The output of this machine is about 4,500 pieces an hour for auto model. And for the semi-automatic model, it depends on your technician speed. Okay? Now let's see the final result after assembly. Here is the slider after assemble. You see? This assemble very well. Okay, if you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact with us. Now I'm going to introduce the function of this control panel. For here, this one is the requested quantity. You can input the quantity you need, like 1,000 pieces, and then the machine will stop automatically when you finish 1,000 pieces. Okay? And here is the production quantity. The number showing in here, that means the quantity you have finished produced. Okay? And this one is the entry quantity. That means the slider has 181 pieces examined during production. And here is the daily produced quantity. The average quantity you produce during this phase will be shown on here. And here is the center puller or middle puller. If you have rim puller want to assemble, we need to add another vibrator on the machine, and you can choose the middle puller model to assemble the 6 components of slider. But now we have only 5 components, so we need to choose the standard puller model. And for here, the numbers of the machine plate, it means here has 12 positions for assemble the slider. You see, totally it's 12 positions. And for here is the speed of the machine. The average speed is about 40 to 80. Now we have set up the fastest speed on the machine. Okay. And for here, this one, the brake is the function of fix or losing the brake of the machine. Here. If you want to adjust the machine, you need to touch this one to green color so you can lose the brake. But if it is red color, that means the brake is fixed and you cannot adjust the machine. Okay? And for here is the solution. The arrow is showing on here. I will show you the function of this button. For here is it will show the arrow happens to the machine on here. Now you can see the arrow on here, and then for this one is the setting of the machine. You don't need to change it because we have set up it already when we ship the machine to you. And for here is the time setting. Today is 14th September, and if you want to change the day, you can set up in here, okay? And for this one is the daily produced quantity status. It will show the production quantity during last few days. You can see here from here. Okay, and this one is the I/O monitor. Okay, you can see the monitor situation of the machine. And here this one is the language option. If you touch this one, it will change to Chinese, and if you touch 2, then it will change to English. And this one is the button to return to the main page. And this one is to close the setup. Okay, here is all the function of this button. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact with us.